Good evening, everyone. I am came here to talk about confidence, the power of confidence and communication. The confidence and communication are two of the most powerful tools any individual can develop. Together, they shape how we expresses our ideas and how others perceive us, and ultimately how successful we become in both personal and professional. Let me talk about confidence. Confidence is the belief in one's own abilities and worth. It doesn't mean arrogance or knowing that you are better than others. It's about trusting yourself, and a confidence grows through preparation, self awareness, and a consistent effort. Every time you fear, every time you face a fear, and then it will come in inside you. After then any obstacle will come in your life, you can face that. And let me talk about communication. Communication is means expressing our ideas, thoughts, and uh, and uh, expressing our thoughts and ideas to the people, and we connected both powerful confidence and communication. When we connect these both, we will become a great person. When we have these things in our mind, we will get a good opportunity in life. So always remember, confidence grows with experience, and communication grows with practice, and together they shape a great personality that can change your life. If you have any questions about this, you can ask me.
So now you guys will have opportunity to ask our chief guest questions on his presentation. The journalist, all you are sitting here, every individual will have 2-3 opportunities to ask questions, and Mr. Pavan from Pavan Media is going to ask the question.
Why confident is needed to us?
Because confidence, without having confidence, we cannot face any challenges in life. With having confidence, a man can try to face any challenges in life. When he want to overcome from that challenge, he will have that thing in his life. If you want to become a great person, you have a good command in confidence. Then you can easily crack any exams and any obstacles in your life.
I have one more question, sir. What do you mean by confidence, sir?
Confidence is not we born from get it. We have to prepare ourselves, and gradually we will have that thing in our life. We have to, one thing is, preparation will kill fear, because we have to practice more things if you want to become a good in confidence. So you have to fear, you have to you have to remove your fearness, then you will get confident in yourself.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now here the next journalist will have opportunity to ask question. Yes, Praveen from Praveen Media, please ask your question.
Hello, sir. My question is, why is feedback up in necessary in communication?
Now he is asking that to develop our communication, what is your point of view? He needs that feedbacks, like he is asking in different way to develop your communication. What is your point of view?
Communication, you ask me. Communication, how to build communication. It is not come from birth. We have to gradually learn how to build our communication. You have that thing, confidence in our life, and then communication you will gradually learn how to communication is the, communication is the bridge that connects the people. And if you have a good command in communication, you can easily share your ideas, thoughts to the people. So you have to be a good command in communication.
Praveen's question was very simple. How we can develop communication? To develop our communication, should we read books or we should talk to people? Or what should we do to improve our communication?
Communication is means a 7%, only 7% is communication is words. The rest of is non-verbal, such a things like body language, eye contact and facial expressions, and things like good eye contact and hand gestures. These are things including that you have. If you build this thing in your life, you will become a good communicator.
I would like to give the opportunity to our next journalist, Kaveri from Kaveri Media.
How to build our confidence.
You know that I have already told about that. Preparation will kill fear. You have to prepare yourself first, then you have to learn good things, and gradually you prepare yourself in that matter. You want to get more confident, so that you have to do good things, and you have to learn more. Then you will get good confidence, and you will never afraid to take challenges, and never afraid to you always, when you have that confidence, you will always remove your fearness, and never let fear to control yourself. So that's
Thank you so much, Kaveri, for asking your question. And now the last opportunity to the last journalist.
How to bear good communication.
you said how to be a good confident in communication. You know that confidence is not come from by birth, it has to be built. So you have to build non-verbal things such as body language, and good eye contact, and good facial expressions, and good body language. When you have these things in your, even in yourself, it will gradually comes in your comes in your body. So after that, you can communicate easily with persons. You can share your ideas and thoughts to the people that you want to be.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much to the chief guest. I would like to thank all the journalists and all the students who played the role of journalist. And thank you so much to the chief guest. Thank you so much.